Importing tracking. The first thing you'll want to do is you'll want to take your spreadsheet that your shipper has provided to you, and then you'll want to make sure that all the data is complete. You want to make sure that there's no missing ID numbers or order numbers or things like that on there. The next thing you'll want to do is go to Orders, go to Import Tracking. If you click here to download a sample file, which I'm going to do, open it up and show you the order and the format of what the headers have to be in. So as you can see, this one says order ID, ship method, ship date, tracking number, and weight. There are some on here that are optional. Your ship method is optional, which, as you can see from the other spreadsheet, there is no ship method on this one. So we're going to remove that column. And the other thing that is optional is weight. There is no weight on this information that the fulfillment center has given me. So I'm going to remove the weight off of here. So there are 3 mandatory fields: the order ID, the ship date, and the tracking number. So I can then go and grab the order number from my spreadsheet and put it in here. Another thing that I could do is just change the headers that are in the sample sheet to the actual sheet that I have data in, and move it around that way. So I need a ship date now. Okay, so now I have a file with all the correct data according to what the system requests us to have. Now you'll want to go ahead and save this, and as you can see, it requires it to be in a CSV format. So we're going to save this. I'm going to put this on my desktop. I'm going to make sure it's a CSV file, so I'm actually going to change the type right here and make sure it saves as a CSV file. I'm now going to close out of it and not reopen it at this point until after I have it imported. If I reopen it, it'll change the format in Excel and I'll need to close it and resave it as a CSV. So I'm going to go ahead and find that one on my list, and I'm going to import file. As you recall, there were 3 orders, 3 ship dates, and 3 tracking numbers, and the results are 3 rows have been inserted successfully. If we go to the account of one of those, pull that up, pull up the order number, go to that account's orders. As you'll see, the order is right here, 149760. It is now marked as shipped. The tracking number has been added and a ship date has been added.